Crows are everywhere, yet they often go unnoticed. These black-feathered birds are some of the smartest creatures in the animal kingdom, capable of solving puzzles, using tools, and even remembering faces. Despite their common presence, there is something mysterious about crows that continues to capture human curiosity. One of the most fascinating things about crows is their intelligence. Studies have shown that crows can solve complex problems that require logic and planning. For example, some crows have been observed dropping nuts onto busy roads so that passing cars will crack them open. Once the traffic clears, the crow swoops down to collect its meal. This is not just instinct, it is problem-solving at its finest. Crows are also tool makers. In the wild, they have been seen bending sticks into hooks to retrieve insects hidden in tree bark. Such behavior was once thought to be unique to humans and a few primates, but the crow has proven that intelligence does not require hands, only a clever mind and the ability to adapt. Another remarkable trait of crows is their memory. They can recognize individual human faces and remember who is kind to them and who poses a threat. If a person feeds a crow regularly, the bird may return the favor by leaving small gifts, such as shiny objects or pieces of glass. On the other hand, if a crow feels threatened, it will remember the person who caused harm and warn other crows to stay away. Crows also have a strong sense of community. They live in family groups and work together to protect each other. If a crow spots danger, it will sound an alarm call that warns others nearby. During difficult times, like harsh winters, crows share food with one another to ensure survival. These behaviors show how deeply connected crows are to their family and their flock. In mythology and folklore, crows have always been surrounded by symbolism. In some cultures, they are seen as messengers between the living and the dead, their black feathers adding to their mystical image. In others, they are symbols of wisdom and transformation. While some stories paint them as omens of bad luck, others celebrate their intelligence and adaptability. Yet, despite their brilliance, crows face challenges in the modern world. Urban expansion and habitat loss have forced many crows to adapt to city life. Fortunately, these birds are masters of survival. They have learned to thrive in urban environments, finding food in unlikely places and roosting in trees that line busy streets. The crow is a bird worth admiring. It teaches us that intelligence comes in many forms and that survival often requires creativity. Whether gliding through the sky or perched on a branch, watching and learning, the crow is always one step ahead. It reminds us that even in the most ordinary creatures, there is something extraordinary waiting to be discovered.